Before we begin, if you are over 60, 65, or even 70, please listen carefully. This channel is dedicated entirely to helping seniors stay strong, protect memory, reduce joint pain, avoid hospital visits, and live independently longer. Every video here is based on real medical research and senior nutrition science. Please subscribe now and turn on notifications because missing even one of these videos could mean missing information that protects your health. Now, let's talk about something that silently affects millions of seniors every single day. Title analysis, opening section. Today's video is titled Healthy Recipes for Old Age People. Behind this simple title hides one of the largest health threats facing seniors worldwide. Main health problems: sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, memory decline, joint inflammation and pain, high cholesterol and blood pressure. Main solution: daily, medically supported recipes designed specifically for seniors. Why is this so critical? Because after age 60, your body changes dramatically. Muscle weakens faster, brain cells become more vulnerable, joints lose protective cushioning, heart disease risk rises rapidly. Food becomes your strongest defense or your fastest path toward weakness and illness. A. Hook within the first 60 seconds. Here is a shocking medical truth. After age 60, adults can lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade. After 70, that loss can accelerate to nearly 15% per decade. This is why many seniors suddenly experience difficulty walking, increased falls, loss of independence, hospital admissions. Even more dangerous, poor food choices increase memory decline by up to 40%. Joint inflammation, blood pressure spikes, dangerous cholesterol buildup. The frightening part? Most seniors believe they are eating healthy while unknowingly aging their bodies faster. But today, I will show you specific recipes proven to slow these processes. B. Authority block. This information is based on decades of geriatric and nutrition research. Experts such as Dr. Stuart Phillips, muscle aging researcher, Dr. Walter Longo, longevity nutrition scientist, and Harvard geriatric nutrition teams. Across thousands of patients over 65, one clear conclusion emerged. Seniors who follow structured nutrition plans experience 30 to 60% better strength retention, slower cognitive decline, reduced joint pain, lower hospitalization rates. Clinical observations show that targeted nutrition improved mobility in seniors within 8 to 12 weeks. C. Setup, the science. Let's understand what aging does inside your body. 1. Muscle protein resistance. Your muscles stop responding to small amounts of protein. This is why seniors who eat lightly often feel weak and tired. 2. Chronic silent inflammation. Inflammation damages joints, arteries, and brain cells slowly over time. 3. Nutrient absorption decline. Your digestive system becomes less efficient, meaning seniors need foods that are easier to digest, nutrient-dense, protein-rich. This is why normal adult diets often fail seniors. D. Debunking segment. X marker, mistake number 1, light breakfasts like tea and toast. Scientific danger, causes muscle breakdown. Study finding, low protein breakfasts increase muscle loss risk by 2x in seniors. Patient example, a 74-year-old man lost leg strength over 3 years simply due to protein deficiency. X marker, mistake number 2, avoiding healthy fats. Scientific danger, reduces brain cell protection and increases joint stiffness. Research data, omega-3 deficiency increases memory decline by 33%. X marker, mistake number 3, Overcooked, nutrient-dead meals. Scientific danger. Destroys essential vitamins needed for nerve and immune function. E. Solution segment. Healthy recipes for old age people. Now, here are medically supported recipes that protect senior health. Checkmark. Recipe number 1. Muscle strength breakfast. Meal example. Soft scrambled eggs, cooked spinach, whole grain toast, olive oil drizzle. Scientific benefit. Provides essential amino acids needed for muscle repair. Study result. Egg-based breakfasts improved muscle strength by 18% in seniors within 10 weeks. Action plan. Eat within 1 hour of waking. Target 20 to 30 grams protein. Checkmark. Recipe number 2. Joint protecting lunch. Meal example. Lentil soup, garlic, turmeric, olive oil. Scientific benefit. Reduces inflammatory markers linked to arthritis. Clinical data. Legume diets lowered cholesterol by 15 to 20%. Action plan. Consume at least 3 times weekly. Checkmark. Recipe number 3. Brain and heart dinner. Meal example. Baked salmon or sardines, steamed vegetables, sweet potato. Scientific benefit. Omega-3 protects brain and blood vessels. Study result. Fish consumption slowed memory decline by 30% in seniors. Action plan. Eat fish 2 to 3 times weekly. Checkmark. Recipe number 4. Evening recovery snack. Meal example. Greek yogurt, walnuts, blueberries. Scientific benefit. Improves gut health, sleep, and bone strength. F. Mid-video CTA. If this information is helping you understand how to protect your body, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment your age and biggest health concern. This helps us create videos specifically designed for seniors like you. G. Motivational closing. Growing older does not mean becoming weak. It does not mean accepting pain. It does not mean losing independence. The meals you choose today determine how strong you walk tomorrow, how clearly you think next year, how independently you live in the future. Proper senior nutrition can reduce medication needs, prevent falls, protect memory, extend quality of life. Remember, your kitchen can be your pharmacy, and your plate can become your strongest medical tool. If you want to stay strong, sharp, and independent, subscribe now and watch our next video, one daily food that prevents muscle loss after age 65. Your future self is depending on the choices you make today.